packages. Let's open them. I actually don't know what's in most of these. I've ordered way too much stuff lately. I'm like trying to get all my Christmas shopping done, so I need some scissors. Also, my husband was live, and I didn't know that, and I was like changing in the bedroom, and I like partially walked in front of his green screen. I really hope I didn't just flash everybody that he was on live with. Whoops. Stocking stuffers. We only use DVDs in our vehicle, but we need all of our Harry Potter DVDs are scratched, so this is going to be a stocking stuffer for one of my kids. That's it. Carly, I swear my dog gets just as excited about packages as I do. All day long my kids are like, Mom, what's in all of your packages? I'm like, I can't tell you. I don't even know. Oh, okay. We are updating our Ring security system. So we got a new Ring doorbell. Nothing was really, Harley, you're knocking my tripod. Nothing was really wrong with our other one except for that, oh, I had a hard time talking back to people on it. So got a new one. Okay, I already opened this one because my daughter ordered something, and it turns out I ordered 2 of them. She bought this with her own money, and apparently I ordered 2. It's a baby doll diaper bag, but I'm probably just gonna give it to my niece for Christmas, and they can match because that's like her best friend. And then for more stocking stuffers for my kids, hopefully nobody comes out here. I got the Shrek collection for one of them. Spy Kids collection for one of them, and I had to bring back some Mary Kate and Ashley. Like, my girls just need to know Mary Kate and Ashley, okay? They just do. And then this is a Christmas gift for my 5-year-old. This is like the one that he wanted. Okay, next box. What do we got in here? Oh, I did not order this from Amazon. I ordered it actually from the Ring website. Is Ring affiliated with Amazon? I don't even know. But what do we got in here? I think, wow, this came like really fast. I ordered this a couple days ago. Okay, this is another floodlight cam. We already have one out there, but now we're getting another one. I feel like we just can't have too many security cameras. Maybe something more exciting than my other packages. It's not going to be anything more exciting. It's more Ring stuff. They sent me a sign because I bought so much stuff from them. Okay. It is more security stuff. We have another motion detector. These ones go on windows. So we should have ones on every single window now. And then we will have like a Ring keypad downstairs, and then we will have one upstairs also, I think. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, anyway, more security stuff. Yeah, I think that's all I got. Oh, I have one more package. Oops, I wasn't recording when I opened this, but here's what we got. I don't know, for some reason I was like, I want to learn how to write pretty letters, so I got myself a book to learn how to write pretty letters. Kind of fun. Okay, so then I needed some hand lettering pens to go along with that. Am I ever going to have time for this? Probably not, but it sounds like a good time to me. Christmas gift for my 5-year-old. He loves Sonic. What else do we got? Oh, some slap bracelet party favorites for my daycare Christmas party. Stocking stuffer for my daughter, and some shorts for a Christmas gift for somebody. Yeah, that's all. That's my haul today. That was a lot of packages that got delivered. It's probably going to be a week of packages because, you know, Black Friday.